Well, good day, smart traders. I trust each and every one of you are ready for another profitable day within the market. Let's kick things off by having a look at today's economic calendar.
Today's economic calendar has no shortage of black star events, with it already causing absolute havoc within the Australian market this morning with the Australian inflation report that was released, and we saw a massive increase in the Australian inflation going from last month's 7.3% to a whopping 8.4%. Later this afternoon at 5 o'clock South African Standard Time, we will be seeing the Canadian interest rate being released with a 25 basis point hike being expected.
Let's move on by having a look at what's making headlines within the financial markets today.
In currency news, the dollar hovered near a 9-month low against the euro and surrendered recent gains against the yen yesterday, as traders weighed up the diverging economic outlook of the United States and Europe. The Eurozone data released yesterday reinforced the view that the economy is surviving a winter of intense price pressure reasonably well. Now let's move over and see what's making headlines on Wall Street. US indices finished the regular session mixed as traders braced for even more corporate earnings throughout the week. Microsoft jumped over 5% higher after reporting Q2 earnings per share of $2.32, better than analysts estimated at $2.30. Revenue for the quarter came in at $52.7 billion versus the consensus estimate of $53.12 billion. Now let's move over to commodities. Crude oil prices fell nearly $2 a barrel after the crude stockpiles had another multi-million barrel build last week, reported by the trade group API, as refiners slowed down the output of fuel products amid an unseasonably warm winter. US crude inventories rose from 3.378 million barrels during the week ending 20th January. Gold prices advanced past a drop in stock markets as safe haven demand for the yellow metal outpaced that for the dollar amid increasing expectations that the Federal Reserve will slow its pace of interest rate hikes in the coming months, and fears of a looming recession kept the safe haven demand elevated. Finally, let's finish things off by having a look at cryptocurrencies. Ethereum started a downside correction below $1,600 against the US dollar. It's also down over 6% and remains at risk of a drop below $1,480 support level, as it is showing a few bearish signs.
So that is it from us here at Smart Online Trader. Should you be interested in any additional services that we offer, kindly get in touch with us or simply click on one of the links in the description below. As always, may the force be with you. Cheers.